All right, welcome to Math 300. I wanted to give you a little bit of an overview of the course, especially the registration process that needs to take place for Mymathlab. So I'm sure you've had an opportunity to read through this welcome page that's here on our Canvas main page that I have displayed here on the screen. One of the most important sections is this one right here. I am using Mymathlab in order to do some online quizzes and online homework and tests. And it also comes with an e-text and also a bunch of resources in order to learn. And so it is important that you realize that you have to purchase this Mymathlab Access. Now, you can purchase it ahead of time by utilizing this ISBN, search for it, and you'll be buying an access code for our book. And as you purchase that access code, it will come to you, or maybe it came to you in a book that you already purchased, and you'll have basically a license key that you can plug in at a certain part of the registration. You don't need to purchase it ahead of time. The publisher site will allow you to purchase it right here online through Canvas. Or you could also, if money is tight right now, if you're waiting for that end of the month paycheck or financial aid to come through, they do allow a free 14-day access. But you want to get that access right away. And so I wanted to explain how to go about that. So if you come down here to the bottom, getting started, the very first thing we need you to do is register for Mymathlab. And I have some written instructions as well as a video that you can watch. And so the video will show you the step-by-step instructions, but I thought I would create a personal video for our page. If you click on the instructions, which I've already done, it will bring up some instructions here, right? In a PDF document. Sorry, I dropped the language that I wanted to use. And so you're going to sign into Canvas. That's super important. You do not need to go to Mymathlab. Don't pay attention to any directions that may be there when you have your access code. You want to follow these directions. Sign into Canvas and do one of the following. And you're going to do the second bullet. Select Mymathlab and Mastering link in the course navigation. And then you're going to click Open Mymathlab Mastering. So let me show you how that's done. Let me minimize this screen and come back to our screen here. The third option down, because it's one of the first things that you need to do, is a Mymathlab Mastering. If you click on that, it will bring you to this page. Maybe. Here we go. And you're going to click on the Mymathlab Mastering button that's up here. It's going to show a picture of our book ideally. The course has already been linked, and you're going to click on that button. Now at this point I can't show you exactly what you're going to see, but the narrative does tell us we are going to enter. Now if you've used Mymathlab before, in a previous math class, you're going to enter your username and password. That'll be the fastest to link it to your account. But if you don't have one, it's going to ask you to create an account, and you'll just follow the on-screen instructions. After you've done that and chosen a password, it's going to prompt you to say, okay, you want to be in this course that's linked to this Canvas course that Jensen's teaching. We need you to plug in an access code. And so that's what you would have bought, or what you can. If you bought it previously by using that ISBN, you'll start to put in that code. If you haven't, you can buy access right there by using a credit card or PayPal. I don't remember the cost. I want to say it's around $90. Or you can get the temporary access, the 14-day access. That 14-day access will expire, so you want to buy that access code and plug it in prior to that 14th day. So that's what you need to do to get there. And then you're done. You would just simply go and you'd be ready to go. And so when you're ready to go, you're going to have access to a bunch of things. So for example, if I go to the first module where I see that there's things to do, and in this chapter 11 is where we're starting out with. In chapter, we're going to be doing 11, then go to 12. And in 11, there's a skills review, an integrated homework that's due really close to the start of class. And if I click on that, this integrated review is what is part of the Math 95 co-requisite to the course. You wouldn't see any of these options, any options here to answer questions. So you can see it's a 20 question little skills review. Should be previous skills that you know. You're going to click on this. You wouldn't even see this if you haven't done that whole Mymathlab connection. So that's got to be one of the first things that you do. So see how it says it's linked to this course. And you can go through and do the homework. I must have clicked on number 10. And you can see that, oh, they're going to make sure we can do fraction multiplication. All right, so that's what I wanted to introduce you to, is the importance of connecting this Canvas course to Mymathlab and the seriousness of being able to get this access code, and why I emailed you out earlier right away and put it right here on the main screen. All right, thank you.